I bought these heavy-duty floor registers to replace the plastic ones that we have in our tiny home. I want something that's heavy-duty that I can put in the floor that's going to last, and these look like they're going to be it. They also have, if you see here, lifetime warranty on them. I bought two packs, which is 4, which is all we need in our tiny home. So this should take care of it. Of course, one note on this is floor registers, they're based on the size hole that's in the floor, not based on the outside trim. So if you're measuring the very outside of this, it's not going to be 4 by 10. 4 by 10 is actually the size of the box that goes into the floor. So let me show you this out of the packaging. All right, so when you look at it, this is a 2-pack and you'll see 2 of them in there. Well, when you open it, they're actually 2 individually wrapped items in there. And this is it without the packaging. So one thing that I wanted is I wanted something that was going to sit against the floor and be extremely thin, so there was really no trip hazard. So these were nice and thin, very low profile to the ground, and they're metal. So the ones we have right now are plastic. I'm not even sure why you would have these as plastic, but if you step on them, well, they'll break. So this one is metal, all of this is metal, and the bottom piece is here. You can move this with your thumb and change the direction of the vent. And as you can see here, that sticks down into the floor, which is fine. That's where, your air is, and that's where the big hole is. So this shouldn't be a problem on the floor. But you can completely close them off or open them wide open. And then again, you can make them directional based upon how you twist these little vents here. They are a good color. They had different colors, but this color is going to match our wood floors that are in there better. The enamel and everything on these are good. I mean, I just don't see these being a problem in the future. So I believe these are going to be the last vents we ever put in those floors. So another note on these is these also don't have like screw holes on any of these where you have to like screw it down into the floor. These literally just set down into the floor and hold in place. If you have any problems with them moving around or anything, you could probably put a little bead of silicone or something around these on the inside, but these are meant to be able to just slide down in, be nice and snug, and not have to do anything with it. Then if you ever need to get in there and clean it out, you can just lift it out, clean out the box, put them back in. They should be nice and simple. All right, so if this review was helpful, if you would give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, if you would do so, that really helps us out. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Y'all take care.